6 Slack methods to earn passive income online while you sleep. While there are various ways to generate passive income online, it's important to note that true get-rich-quick schemes are generally unrealistic. However, here are 6 methods that can potentially generate passive income with minimal effort. Affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs and promote products or services through your website or social media. As part of the performance-based marketing strategy known as affiliate marketing, people or companies are paid a commission by promoting products or services of another company, merchant. It is a popular online marketing strategy that allows affiliates to earn income by driving traffic, leads, or sales to the merchant's website through their marketing efforts. Here's how affiliate marketing typically works. Affiliate joins a program. Affiliates sign up for an affiliate program offered by a merchant or through an affiliate network. The program provides them with a unique affiliate ID or tracking code. 2. Choose products or services. Affiliates select the products or services they want to promote from the merchant's offerings. These can range from physical products, digital goods, to online services. 3. Promote affiliate links. Affiliates generate unique affiliate links or banners containing their affiliate ID or tracking code. They incorporate these links into their marketing efforts, such as blog posts, social media posts, emails, videos, or advertisements. 4. Drive traffic and referrals. Affiliates use various marketing channels to drive traffic to the merchant's website through their affiliate links. This can include sharing content, creating product reviews, running ads, or leveraging their online presence. 5. Track referrals and conversions. When a visitor clicks on an affiliate link, the affiliate ID or tracking code captures the referral data. This data allows the merchant to track the source of the referral and any subsequent actions, such as purchases or signups. 6. Earn commissions. Affiliates earn a commission when their referred visitors make a desired action, such as making a purchase, signing up for a service, or completing a lead form. The commission structure and rates vary depending on the affiliate program and the agreement between the affiliate and the merchant. 7. Payment and reporting. Merchants typically provide affiliates with access to a dashboard or reporting system where they can monitor their performance, track conversions, and view earnings. Payments are usually made on a predetermined schedule, such as monthly, via methods like direct deposit, PayPal, or wire transfer. Although the stock market might have a steep learning curve and can be confusing, it's a great way to build lasting wealth. A common mistake most people make with investment funds is thinking short-term instead of playing the long game to reach financial goals. The goal for investing in stocks is to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. You can do this through investing in mutual funds, index funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and high-dividend stocks that earn you capital gains over time. 2. Display advertising. Monetize your website or blog by displaying ads from ad networks like Google AdSense. You earn revenue whenever visitors click on the ads or based on ad impressions. Here are some key aspects of display advertising. 1. Ad networks and exchanges. Advertisers typically use ad networks or ad exchanges to distribute their display ads across a wide range of websites or apps. 2. Targeting options. Display advertising allows advertisers to target specific audiences based on various criteria such as demographics, interests, behavior, location, and more. 3. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, stock, photos, or templates. Once you've created them, you can automate the sales and delivery process. Selling digital products can be a lucrative business venture, especially in today's digital age. Here are some key considerations and steps to follow when selling digital products. Choose a digital product. Determine what type of digital product you want to sell. It could be an ebook, online course, software, music, graphics, templates, or any other type of digital content that can be downloaded or accessed online. 4. Print-on-demand products. Use print-on-demand services to design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. When someone purchases a product with your design, the printing and shipping are handled by the service provider. Here are some common print-on-demand products. 1. Apparel. T-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, sweatshirts, leggings, and other clothing items are popular choices for print-on-demand customization. 2. Accessories. This category includes items like hats, caps, bags, socks, scarves, and bandanas, which can be customized with designs or logos. 5. Royalties from digital content. If you have creative talents, such as writing, composing, music, or designing graphics, you can earn royalties by licensing your work to platforms like stock photo sites, music libraries, or ebook publishers. Ever wonder who takes care of all those vending machines that are always stocked? The owner of those machines is earning semi-passive income from your snack and soda cravings. Starting a passive source of income through vending machines does require an upfront time and money investment. This is a great guide with tips on how you can get started with your first vending machine. Marketplaces like Craigslist, eBay, or BizBuysell can help you gauge the upfront investment you'll need to buy your first set of machines, as well as how many you can afford to start. Once you secure areas where you can install them, a round of vending machines makes for a great cash-flowing source of largely passive income. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Join a peer-to-peer lending platform where you can lend money to individuals or small businesses. You earn interest on the loans you provide, and the platform takes care of loan management and collection. Remember that while these methods can potentially generate passive income, they still require some initial effort, such as setting up your website or creating content. Additionally, success may vary based on factors like market demand, competition, and the quality of your offerings. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel,